Hit life motivation. Present. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. They cannot make history who forget history. Be educated, be organized and be agitated. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. Life should be great rather than long. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. The history of India is nothing but a history of a mortal conflict between Buddhism and Brahmanism. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. Thanks for watching.